Are you looking for the best high-performance fuel injector cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best high-performance fuel injector cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the VP Racing Madditive Fuel System Cleaner with RP21. VP Racing brings its motorsports pedigree to everyday vehicles with this Madditive fuel system cleaner featuring RP21 technology. Built around an advanced PEA detergent, this cleaner is engineered to dissolve carbon deposits, gum, and varnish throughout the entire fuel system, including piston crowns, combustion chambers, fuel injectors, and intake valves. That deep cleaning action helps optimize combustion, which can actually reduce your engine's octane requirement, meaning it may run just as well on lower-cost fuel. It also targets pinging and pre-ignition, two performance-robbing issues caused by built-up engine deposits, while reducing the harmful effects of ethanol blends that many pump gases now contain. Drivers can expect easier starts, more usable power, and improved fuel economy as the system gets cleaner, along with reduced emissions that can help vehicles pass smog or emissions testing. It's formulated to work across cars, trucks, boats, and motorcycles, and it's suitable for both passenger and off-road vehicles, giving it broad appeal for different types of content. One 16 ounces bottle treats up to a full 20-gallon tank and is rated to last up to 5,000 miles. For performance-focused audiences, this is a compelling product to test and review. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hot Shots Secret Original Stiction Eliminator Oil Additive. For channels covering diesel trucks and high-mileage engines, Hot Shots Secret Stiction Eliminator is a product worth featuring. This oil additive is specifically formulated to address injector stiction, a common issue in diesel engines where sticky varnish deposits cause fuel injectors to hesitate or malfunction, leading to rough running and reduced power. By treating the oil system directly, this additive works to remove those harmful engine deposits, while helping piston rings seal more effectively, which can translate into improved compression and noticeably restored power. It also neutralizes harmful engine acids that build up over time and reduces frictional drag inside the engine, both of which contribute to premature wear on internal components. Viewers dealing with noisy lifters or valves may also notice a reduction in that ticking or knocking sound after use, since the additive helps address the root causes of that noise. One 32 ounces bottle treats 16 quarts of oil, making it suitable for larger diesel engines or multiple oil changes. This is a great pick to demonstrate for truck owners, fleet operators, or diesel enthusiasts looking to extend engine life and address a very specific, often misunderstood problem under the hood. At number 3, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron is one of the most recognized names in fuel system cleaning, and this Concentrate Plus formula is designed to tackle some of the most common drivability complaints out there. If you've noticed a rough idle, hesitation off the line, engine surge, or spark plug fouling, this cleaner is formulated specifically to reduce those symptoms by clearing out the deposits that cause them. Beyond fixing existing issues, it also works to improve cold start performance, which matters a lot if you live somewhere with harsh winters or if your vehicle sits for long periods between drives. Techron is also known for its fuel stability benefits, helping keep fuel fresh and functional for up to a full year, which makes it a great option for seasonal vehicles, boats, or backup generators that don't get used regularly. Packaged in a 20 ounces bottle, it's simple to pour into your tank as part of routine maintenance, with no special tools or mechanical know-how required. Chevron backs this product with a quality-assured promise, reflecting decades of experience formulating fuel additives for everyday drivers. For viewers looking for a trusted, easy-to-use fuel system cleaner from a major name in the industry, this is worth demonstrating on camera. At number 2, we have the Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. Lucas Oil has built a reputation as one of the most trusted names in fuel additives, and this fuel treatment lives up to that legacy. Marketed as the world's #1 fuel additive for both gasoline and diesel engines, this formula is essentially a tune-up in a bottle. It's a blend of oils and additives engineered to boost power, improve fuel mileage, and promote cleaner, more complete combustion, all while lowering harmful exhaust emissions. As it works through your fuel system, it cleans and lubricates critical components including fuel injectors, the carburetor, and the combustion chamber, helping restore lost performance from carbon and gunk buildup. It also neutralizes sulfur and other harmful contaminants, extends the life of pumps and injectors, and protects against rust and corrosion for the long-term health of your engine. For diesel owners, this product complies with federal low-sulfur requirements, and for classic car owners running older engines, it safely replaces the need for lead without any harmful side effects. Lucas recommends adding it to your tank every 3,000 miles to prevent buildup before it starts. If you want a proven do-it-yourself way to keep your fuel system clean and your engine running smoothly, this is a strong contender. And finally, at number 1, we have the STA-BIL Fast Fix Small Engine Treatment. If your lawnmower, trimmer, chainsaw, or generator has been running rough, stalling, or refusing to start altogether, STA-BIL Fast Fix might be exactly what you need before you reach for a wrench. This small engine treatment is designed to break down the gum and varnish deposits that build up over time and cause hard starts, sputtering, and rough idling. Instead of tearing apart your carburetor, this formula works its way through the entire fuel system, cleaning carburetors, injectors, and other internal components while the engine runs. It also tackles a problem a lot of us deal with without realizing it: water contamination and the damaging effects of ethanol-blended fuels, including E15. That means fewer stalling issues and more consistent starts, especially on equipment that sits unused for weeks at a time. One 8-ounce bottle treats up to 20 gallons of fuel, so it's an affordable addition to your maintenance routine. Simply add it to fresh gas and let the engine run to circulate it through the system. It's built specifically for 2-cycle and 4-cycle small engines, making it a solid pick for anyone maintaining outdoor power equipment or small engine machinery.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.